Welcome to V.I Tech Academy, where accessibility meets innovation.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another interesting video of V.I Tech Academy YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about an application that will help you to practice your typing. Yes guys, now you can practice typing yourself using this wonderful software. This is completely accessible and specially designed for visually impaired users. Those who comment me for typing assistance or any software that can help them to practice typing. So this is the software which we are gonna discuss today. Before starting the video, if you are interested to learn MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Internet or any advanced topics such as web development with HTML, CSS, JavaScript or WordPress, Python programming, audio editing with Reaper and much more, you can join our courses. Visit our website from the about page of our YouTube channel to learn more. The application name is Typing Tutor.
This PC to-do list Typing Tutor 24 of 20.
I'll provide the link to download of this application in the video description below, as well as the application will be also available on our official Telegram channel. Don't forget to follow us on Telegram and WhatsApp. Links are given in the video description below. So let me start the exploration. After opening this software, you will get some lessons, some settings and other things. After completing each lesson, you will get a score and you will also have some tutorials also. So let me open this software first.
Loading Rocky's Typing Tutor.
Rocky's Typing Tutor. Welcome to Rocky's Typing Tutor. Press any key to continue.
Okay, so just press any key.
Main menu. View your previous accuracy scores.
Okay, now first option is view your previous accuracy scores. Here you can check all of your previous accuracy score. Press down arrow.
Load a typing exercise.
Load a typing exercise. So if you want to attempt any exercise, you can load. I'll show you. Next,
View the instructions.
View the instructions. Here you can get some instructions.
Listen to some quick verbal instructions.
Listen to some quick verbal instructions.
Toggle speech off or on.
Toggle speech off or on, which means that speech instructions you'll get. It is not the screen reader, okay? It is a speech by this software.
Toggle the intro screen off.
Toggle the intro screen off. You can turn off this intro screen.
The intro screen has been turned off for a quicker program launch.
Okay. Then
toggle the music on or off.
Music on or off. If you want, you can
change the text color, currently yellow. Change the background color, currently black.
So this you can do as per your requirements if you are a low vision.
Adjust settings for the typing exercises.
Okay, adjust settings.
View some typing tips and guidance.
View some typing tips and guidance.
Exit the program.
Exit the
view your
program.
View adjust settings for the typing exercises.
So let's just explore this.
Choose the voices and speeds for your typing exercises. Change the speed of the typing exercises, currently moderate.
So it will allow you to change the speed when you are getting the instructions for the exercises. It will the speed of that TTS. Okay. Now
change the voice for letter by letter feedback in the typing exercises. Currently Anderson. Change the voice for word feedback in the type. Change the voice speed for word feedback in the typing exercises. For SAPI screen reader users, turn main menu. Adjust settings for the typing exercises.
Escape to go back to the main menu. Now here you can set as per your requirements.
View some typing tips and guidance.
So here you can get some view typing tips and guidance. Let me just present it to show you.
Typing tips and guidance. Some general typing tips.
You will get some fireworks sound because here some festival season is going on. So please avoid that.
Return to the main menu.
Return to the main menu.
Some general typing tips.
Some general typing tips.
A good posture and regular breaks are firmly recommended.
Good posture.
The following are also suggested. A good and adjustable chair.
Good and adjustable chair.
A straight back. Feet flat on the floor. Your hands should be relaxed. And also try out a wrist support. Home key guidance.
Home key guidance.
Place the fingers of your left hand on the ASD and F keys.
C.
Place the fingers of your right hand on the J, K, L and semicolon keys. Your index fingers will find tactile markers on the F and J keys. G and H key guidance.
Okay, so here you'll get some
main menu.
tricks of guidance, typing guidance, which we also learned from any institutions.
Letter volume maximized.
Okay, so
View
now
some typing tips and guidance. View your previous accuracy scores.
here you can check your accuracy scores. Ultimately,
Load a
how you
typing
can
exercise.
do the exercise. So just press enter on loader typing exercise.
Please choose a typing exercise from the list.
And
Exercise
here you will get
1.1.
lot
Home
of
keys
things.
part 1. Exercise 1.1.
Home keys
part
part 1.
Exercise 1.2. Home keys
Home
part
keys
2.
part 2.
Exercise 1.3. Home keywords.
Keywords. So first I
Return
just
to the main
open
menu. Exercise 1.1.
1.1.
Loading
Let's
exercise 1.1. Home keys part 1. Home key guidance.
So it is saying home key guidance.
Place the fingers of your left hand. Place your index fingers will press any key to continue.
Press any key to continue. Okay. So when you read this, then press any key to continue. Just I'm pressing any key.
This is a finger exercise. When you are ready, press any key to start.
Okay, I'm pressing.
A, S, D, F.
So it is saying now ASDF. So I just type ASDF and press the space bar. So it will give you the next instruction.
Semicolon. L, K, J, F, A, J, S.
Okay, perhaps.
So after completing any exercise, you need to come back to your menu.
View your previous accuracy scores.
Go to here.
The most recent accuracy
and
scores for
see.
each exercise. Exercise
I'm going
2.4. G and H keywords advanced 83%.
See, this is the exercise which I already done previously, and 83% accuracy score.
Delete all your accuracy scores.
can delete.
Return to the main menu.
And you can return
Main
to the
menu.
main
View your
And you can again attempt any exercise, and based on your attempt, you will get the scores. For beginners, if you use this software at least daily 1 or 2 exercises, then your typing speed will be increased. So if you want to download this software, don't worry, you can download it from our official Telegram channel, and just let me know your feedback into the comment section. If you find this content useful, like the video, share the video, and don't forget to press the hype button just before the comment section. Subscribe to our official YouTube channel for more interesting tutorials like this. That's it for today, guys. See you in the next tutorial soon. Till then, bye bye.